Hi, and welcome to my YouTube channel once again. My name is Kohli Kelson from Ghana, the Black Star of Africa. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you 3 easy ways to promote your YouTube channel. Please do stay with me. I'll be right back in 10 seconds. Welcome back, and thank you for staying with me. I really appreciate it. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, do well to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos. So, 3 easy ways to promote your YouTube channel. Number 1, upload a YouTube channel banner. Now, a YouTube channel banner can be eye-catching if you really upload a well-designed or well-created one on your channel. How can you upload a YouTube channel banner? First, you have to design your YouTube channel banner, and you can easily do that with the help of a Canva free version. All you need to do is go to Play Store on your phone and then download Canva. After that, open the app and then in the search bar type YouTube channel banner. A lot of templates will pop up. Then you select your preferred template. Then after that, you do the necessary editing. That is, you change the name to your channel name, and then the colors, you can use the colors that you want to be using in your channel. Then the text, you also change the format of the text. After that, all you need to do is go and upload it on your channel as your channel banner. You can also do the uploading by simply opening your web browser and then typing in the search bar studio.youtube.com. Then you select channel customization in the options in your menu, and then you upload your channel banner. Now, if you design a very nice and eye-catching banner, that one alone can promote your YouTube channel and it can take it really far. It can also make it stand out amongst the numerous YouTube channels that we have. Number 2, channel description. Writing a description for a channel can also actually take your channel far and promote your channel. So, how do we write a description for the channel? It's pretty easy also. You simply need to go to studio.youtube.com on your browser, go to channel customization, then go to channel description. All you need to do is to write a very short and then comprehensive description. Also, make sure that your description is relatable to your niche or your topic. In that way, anybody that comes across your channel will go to read the description, and if your description is very good, the person will immediately subscribe to your channel to enjoy your videos or to watch your video. Now, in the channel description, you only need to write about what you are going to present in your channel, and also introduce yourself, your name, and then where you are from. Very short and then comprehensive and also relatable to your niche, and then it can actually attract viewers to your channel, because anybody who comes to read the description on your channel and then feels interested with what you have put in there that you'll be presenting will likely subscribe to your channel to come back to watch your videos. So writing a description, a very good one at that, for your channel can also promote your channel to go far. Number 3, thumbnail. Your thumbnails. This is actually the most interesting point for me, and I will really speak more about the thumbnails. Designing very good thumbnails can actually promote your YouTube channel very fast. Very, very fast. Designing a thumbnail that catches attraction can really send your YouTube channel far and then attract more subscribers to your channel. Now, how will you design an eye-catching thumbnail? First of all, your colors. They are very important. You have to choose your colors wisely. Choose fewer colors and bright colors as well. Also, another thing that is very important in the thumbnail is your images or the images. Give clear images. Put in clear images or photos in the thumbnail. And then also add facial expressions to your images in the thumbnail. It is very, very key. Very, very key. Make sure you add facial expressions in your pictures or images that you use on the thumbnail, and use fewer colors as I said earlier on. Another thing is the text. Make sure your texts are bold and also readable for everyone to see and read. Actually, if you design a very good thumbnail, the click-through rate will be high, because so many people are tempted to click on that particular video. Immediately they see an eye-catching thumbnail on the video. So designing a very nice and eye-catching thumbnail can also actually promote your YouTube channel and let it go far. Now, designing an eye-catching thumbnail, it's pretty easier. You can do that with the help of Canva. Just like you can design the YouTube banner with Canva, you can also design the thumbnail with the help of the Canva free version. All you need to do is go open your Canva app and then type in YouTube thumbnail. A number of templates will appear there. Then you do the necessary changes. If you don't want to use the template, all you need to do is click on new project, and then you start to design your thumbnail. Use few colors and bright colors. Use bold text. Use clear pictures or photos with gestures to design your thumbnail. In my subsequent videos, I will be sharing with you about how to design very, very nice thumbnail that will attract people to your channel or promote your channel to go far. So in today's video, I shared with you 3 easy ways to promote your YouTube channel and make it stand out among the numerous YouTube channels, and also send it far to get more views and then subscribers. So point number 1, upload a YouTube banner. Design a very nice YouTube banner and upload it to your channel. Point number 2, write a comprehensive and relatable description in your channel, in the description area. Point number 3, design eye-catching thumbnails. Use few colors and then clear photos with gestures, and also bold text that is readable to everyone. Thank you once again for your time today. I really appreciate. See you next time. Bye.